Hello, my bestie esties. I have good news to give you. So, for a couple months back, a brand reached out for me to try out their wax, their hard wax. And let me tell you, I loved it. You know, as an esthetician, I've been an esthetician for about 2 years. And when this brand company reached out, I was like, sure, let me give it a try. I loved it. I've tried it on the Brazilian area, underarms, legs, lower back, full body basically, and it works amazing. Just an FYI, they do have a sale going on right now, and if you also include the discount that I will be giving you, that's a plus for you. So if you are a newly esthetician and you're trying to find a good wax, Sexy Smooth Wax is the one. Okay, I've tried the Tickled Pink. I've also tried the Purple Seduction, and I am aware that they have new, like they have a red one which is cherry, and they have gold ones, a blue one, just amazing.